Hello students, welcome all to Guru Gedara English Medium Maths Revision class. Today we are going to discuss about sets. Set is a collection of elements which are well defined. Collection or group of elements which are well defined is a set, right? We'll do a revision based on sets. Now, by studying this lesson, you will able to identify the regions in a Venn diagram. Region in a Venn diagram. We'll see. Express the regions in a Venn diagram using set notation. Solve problems using Venn diagrams involving three sets. Now, different ways in which three non-empty subsets of a universal set in a Venn diagram. Here we considered three sets. Three sets A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Non-empty. It means they are not empty sets, right? If you consider set A, set B, set C, how many regions there are? If you consider set A, it is divided into 4 regions. If you consider set B, it is also divided into 4 regions. If you consider set C, that is also divided into 4 regions. 4 regions means 4 groups, 4 collections. Here, there is a special case in this Venn diagram. Can you identify it? A and B doesn't have intersection. Here, set A, set B. Common region you can see, they have intersection. Here you don't have common region between A and B. Therefore, they are called disjoint sets. Not only A and B, A and C, B and C. They are disjoint sets. Right, next one. If you consider third one, it is clear A and B intersection, you can see a common region. Here C, separated or isolated set, no common region. Therefore, they are disjoint sets, A and C, B and C. Here, there is a special case. The set B is in A. Therefore, B is a subset of A. A is the larger set, B is the smaller set. Now, you can see B is in A. All the elements in set B belongs to set A. That is why B is a subset of A. Here, C is an isolated one. Set B and C are disjoint. A and C are also disjoint sets. In this diagram, there is a common region for 3 sets A, B, C. This is the common region, right? You don't have any disjoint set here, right? Next one. Now you can see 2 subsets. C is in B. Therefore, C is a subset of B, right? Similarly, you can see B is in A. B is in A. Therefore, B is a subset of A. Can you understand it? If you consider both sets B and C, they are in A. Therefore, set B and C are subset of A. That is the special property in this Venn diagram. Before solving the problems based on sets, it is important and essential to identify the regions, total number of regions you have to identify, right. Sum of regions of elements is the number of elements of the set, right. If you consider here set A, how to get the sum of elements or number of elements of A, NA. How to get NA? You add this number of elements and this one. Taking the sum of two regions, you can find out the number of elements of A. Right. Now, this one, very important one. There are two sets A, B, they are disjoint sets, no intersection. B and C, here you can see a common region, A and C also a common region. Common elements in this region and this region. Next one, there are two sets B and C, they are subsets of A. But if you consider set B and C, there is a common region there. Right here you can see ninth one, completely different, 8 and 9. Here set B and C are disjoint sets. You can consider set B students in grade 6 class, C students in grade 7 class. Totally different, no? No common region. No common region. Then what is A? Students of the school. Right? You can separate groups using the definition of the set. Right? There are various types of Venn diagrams in your O-level examination. Clearly you identify the regions and insert the elements according to the question. Right, next one. Expressing a subset denoted by a shaded region in a Venn diagram using set notation. Set notation. What are the notations? Set operations. There are three set operations: union, all, intersection, common, complement, except. Right? Union, all, intersection, common, complement, except. Complement of A means except A, the region in the universal set. Complement of B, except B, the region in the universal set. Identify. They are the notations. Using the set notation, we are going to represent the shading regions. Right? We will see A intersection B intersection C. It means common region for all the sets. Where is the common region? Can you see it? This is the common region. Right? Common region. If you consider this one, A intersection B, common region for only A and B. This is the common region. There is another set C. Don't think about that. We need the common region of A and B. Right? Intersection. Intersection. Here we considered the notation intersection. Right? Then next one. Here also you can see some different applications of intersection. A intersection B. A intersection B means common region for A and B. What is that? This is the common region. Common region, common region, common region. This is the common region. This is the common region. Complement of C, it means you have to remove the region of C there. Right? Then removing this part, you have to remove this part. Now you have the region like this. This is called only, remember the word, only A and B, only A and B. Without the word only, this is the region. Without the word only, this is called this region. This one, A and B. A and B, no any word only. Then if you use the word only, only means this is the region, only region. This is the region, only A and B. Clearly identify the region, right? It is very, very important when solving word problems based on sets. Right, next one, A intersection, here B intersection C. B intersection C, intersection means except B, except C. You consider only A except BOC, BOC. There's a set rule, BOC, B intersection C, there is a rule B complement OC complement. Union means O, union means O, intersection means AND. Right, we will see next one. Here you can see there are three sets, A, B, C. We want to shade the regions A intersection B intersection complement of C. Complement of C means except C, right? Except C. This region you can't take. A intersection B, if you consider A intersection B, it contains two regions, right? The upper one and the lower one. You have to remove the lower one because complement of C. Except C, then only A and B. Here you can see only A and B. Understood it? Right. Next one. Here A intersection B union C. Union. Union means O. Intersection means AND. Union O, intersection AND. Here, how to read this one? A union B. It means AOB. AOB, all the elements in A and B, AOB. Right? Then A intersection B. O union and intersection. Here AOB, all the elements in set A, all the elements in set B getting together, you can make AOB. right? Here A and B. You can consider elements of A, then you consider elements of B, then you select common elements. That is called the elements of A and B, right? AOB, A and B. Here B union C, all the elements in B, all the elements in C. Complement you have to remove. It means only A, only A, except B or C. This is called only A. Remember that, only A. If you consider this region, only B, right? If you consider this one, like this, this is A, this is B, this is C, then only B, right? Right. Then A or B or C, all the elements of 3 sets, all the elements, all the regions, all the elements means all the regions, sum of regions A union B union C, right. Next one, complement, complement, except all the sets A or B or C, you can see the complement, right, surrounding A or B or C. This is the region corresponding to this set notation. These are called set notations, expressing a shaded region using set notation, right. When doing O-level past paper questions, it is needed to identify the corresponding region, and you have to express that region using set operations. It means set notation, right. We will do a question using set notation, this one, AOB, all the regions, AOB, here you can see AOB. But complement of C, you have to remove the portion of C. Then this is called only AOB, 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 except C, only AOB, not only A and B, here only AOB. In previous example, only A and B. Right. This one, A intersection B union, B intersection C union, A intersection C. Common regions getting together. Union means this region plus this one, right. Taking all the common regions, you can make this shaded portion. This is what we want to explain here, how to use set notations, set operations according to the shaded region. This one, AOB complement, AOB complement, except the sets AOB. Here empty region, empty region. This is only C, only C. No AB means only C, right. This is a unique region for C, only C, not C. There is a difference between C and only C, right. If you consider C, these two regions are also belongs to the set C. Here A intersection C intersection complement of B. Complement means out of B. right? The region surrounding B except B, complement of B. Actually, complement means not. Complement of B means not B. Complement of A means not A. Complement of A union B is not A union B. Not. Complement not. Right. Here not B, A intersection C. Only A intersection C. Only A intersection C. Common region that belongs to only A and C. Understood it? Right. Logical statements are in set problems. In every sentence, there is a logical point. Only C, C. There is a difference. Get it, right? Now we are going to practice these concepts. Past paper question 2016 O-level set question, right? 10 marks question, essay type question. Sets, we are talking about a group or collection of elements which are well defined. That is a set. What is a set? A collection of elements which are well defined. We will see well defined collection, right? The information given by 50 persons in a survey conducted to assess the popularity of test and one-day cricket matches revealed the following. Right? What is the collection? 50 persons. How to define 50 persons? Collection of elements well defined. How to define these 50 persons? We will see. Then test one day, test matches, one day. Then what is 50? Number of elements of the large set, universal set, that is 50. Number of elements in the universal set. How to write this one? Number of elements in the universal set is 50, right? 15 had watched test matches. 15 test match. Here test match 15. Can you see it? In this team 15 elements. Next one. 13 had watched both test and one-day matches. Both test and both means common, right? Common and common region. 13 common elements, right? 13 had watched both test and one-day matches. 13 elements there. 5 had not watched matches of either of these two formats. Either means complement. Out of the sets test and one day, how many elements there? 5 elements. 5 elements. 5 elements. Complement of test or one day is 5. Right, we will see. Copy Venn diagram given below. Find the number of elements belonging to belonging to each region using the given information and write them in the relevant regions. You have to identify regions like this. 50, the total number of elements in the universal set. Here, total number of elements 15 in test match. It is clear that this set is divided into two regions. Sum of elements of these two regions is 15, right? Now, 2 plus 13 is 15. How to get this 2? 15 minus 13 is 2. We are going to find the elements corresponding to each region according to the question, right? How many persons had watched one-day matches? One-day matches, right? We'll see one-day matches means one-day matches. One-day matches, that set contains two regions, 13 plus these elements. We'll see. Consider the total number of elements of this set as A. How many regions in this Venn diagram? How many regions? How many regions? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of elements of these 4 regions is 50. Now you know sum of elements of how many regions? 1, 2, this one. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 50. No? These are regions, not integers, right? Regions. 1 plus 2 is 15 plus 4 is 5. This one is 50. Now you know how to get the elements belongs to third region. 50 minus 20. Okay, that is the concept. We'll see it. A, this region, right? A, 2, this one plus this one, 50, 43, right? In last explanation, I got this one as 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. Understood that? Different ways, interesting ways. You can use any method as you like, no problem. No any limits in mathematics, right? You can make concepts which is totally agree to the standard concepts in mathematics, right? Then you can use any method. Okay, now how many persons had watched one-day matches? Answer is 43. Yes, this is how we got 30. Okay, next one. 33 of these 50 persons were males. 33 of these 50 persons were males and they had watched one-day matches. There is an important they and they all one-day matches. This is one day. This is male. Consider this is as A, this is as B. You know that A is a subset of B. Can you remember? Right here, copy the above Venn diagram again, include the subset males. We will see 33. Here males 33, 33 here males, subset, males is a subset of 1 day, 33. Moreover, an additional information, moreover, it means furthermore, 9 males had also watched test matches, right? Test matches. How many persons watch both test and 1 day? 13. There are 9 persons here, they are males. Therefore, 13 should be divided into 2 regions. Here 9, sum of these 2 is 13, 13 minus 9 should be 4, we will see. Here 13 minus 9 is 4, right? Then 24. Why is that? Males 33, here you have 9. Sum of these 2 regions is the region of males. Here you have 9. To get 33, 33 minus 9 is 24. Now total number of males 33. According to the information, this is correct, right? Then how did you get 6? According to the definition, how many regions in 1 day set? How many regions? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of elements of 4 regions is 43. Here you know 33, 33 plus 4, 37. 43 minus 37 is 6, right? Easy one, very easy. How many females had watched 1 day matches? Female, female means complement of males. Female means not male, not male, female. Complement of male. Out of this set, out of male, you have female. 4 plus 6, 10. Understood that? Females. Sometimes you may think that is as 4, not 4. Don't forget 6. There are 2 regions. 6 plus 4 is 10. Very easy question, right? Next one, 2017 question. Sets. A collection of elements which are well defined. Here we will see what is the collection, right? 3 mathematics problems numbered as 1, 2 and 3 were given to a class of 50 students. Here also 50 students. Elements in the universal set is 50. Some information on how they had solved these problems is given below. The number of students who did not get the correct solution to any of 3 problems is 6, complement of 3 sets. Remember, the number of students who got the correct solution to problem 1 only 20. The number of students who got the correct solution to problem 3, not only here, 8. No student got the correct solution to both problem 2 and 3. Then what can you say about sets 2 and 3? No student means intersection is a null set, empty set, no elements, no intersection, no intersection there, right? We will see it. Copy the incomplete Venn diagram given below in your answer script and represent the above information in it. Right? Students who got the correct solution to question number 2, here question number 1, here question number 3. Universals 50 students, can you see it? 50. I told you 50. Here 6, complement of all the sets, 6 elements. Here only question number 1, 20 elements. Then question number 3, total number of elements in this set 8. Sum of these two regions is 8. Next one. In the Venn diagram, shade the regions which represent the students who got the correct solution to more than one problem. More than one. It means not one. It means more than one. More than one means not one. No. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. More than one. Here, this region, more than one, common region. Here also common region. This is the corresponding region according to this question. Now, find the number of students who got the correct solution to problem 2, second question. Find the number of students who got the correct solution to problem 2. Problem 2. Problem 2, problem 2. We will see like this. Here you know that problem 2, 50 minus 20, this region, plus 8, these two, plus 6, this one. This region plus this one, 20 plus 8 plus 6, 28, 34, 16. 16, how to get 16? This one. Sum of these two regions. Now you have 16 here, here 20, 36, right? 36 plus 6, 42 plus 8, 50. You have 50. Understood well, right? Then next question. The number of students who got the correct solution to problem 1. Problem 1 is twice the number of students who got the correct solution to problem 2. Is means equal, twice. First set is equal to twice of second set, right? Now, according to that information, we know that for question number 1, 16 multiplied by 2, 32. 16 multiplied by 2, 32. It means for question 1, 32. 32 minus 20. Here 32 minus 20 is 12. 12 is the answer. Can you understand it? They ask, find the number of students who got the correct solution to 2 problems. 2 problems. 2 problems, more than 1. Right? Understood well? 2 problems. 2 problems. 2 problems. Here 2 problems. Understood it? That is a difficult point. 2 problems, not this one, not this one, not this one. This region means 1 problem, 1 problem, 1. 2. Correct solution to 2 problems. Okay, now we will see difficult point. These 2 regions. Okay, now 32 is this one. Here 32, no, 32. We need these 2. 32 minus 20 is 12. Understood well? Right. Okay, we will consider next one. 2018. An incomplete Venn diagram drawn to represent information on the number of students who study the subject economics, business statistics and accounting. 3 sets. Okay. You can see there is information here because every student who studied business statistics also studied economics. What is the subset? Economics is the larger set, right? Subset, business statistics. We will see it. You can see, right? Subset and larger set. Very basic concept. Copy the given Venn diagram in your answer script and name the sets of students who study the 2 subjects suitably. Include the information in the Venn diagram. Okay, we will see how to include. 45 students study accounting. It is clear that 45 accounting set, right? 30 students study business, business 30, 30 there, right? Very easy one. Then 18 students study only economics from these 3 subjects, only economics, we will see 18, right? Very easy. Then shade the regions which represent the students who study only 2 of these 3 subjects. Only 2. This region, only 2, right? Clearly identify, only 2. Okay, now next one. 55 students study at least one of the 2 subjects, business statistics and accounting. Find the number of students who study all 3 subjects. All 3 subjects. Identify carefully, all 3 subjects. All 3 subjects. Here you have 10. How did you get 10? We will see. Here 20. We will see. Capital A business, capital B accounting, AOB 55, AOB 55, A means this set, How many regions for 55? 10 plus 20 plus this one. It means here 45, no? Here 45. 45 plus 10 is 55. NB, B is 45. What is B? This one. in A intersection B dash, it means only A, this one. 1, 2. Sum of these two regions is 55. Here you know 55 minus 45, 10. That is how we got 10 here. They ask, find the number of students who study all three subjects. It means this one. How did you get 20? All three subjects, 30 minus 10. 30 is this one. This one 30. Sum of these two regions is 30. Right? 30 minus 10 is 20. Can you understand it? Okay. Now, next one. If the number of students who study only accounting from these three subjects is twice the number of students, twice the number of students who study business statistics but do not study accounting, then find the number of students who study economics. Economics, it means this one, econ. We'll see how to do it. Economics. Here only accounting, twice, no, twice. Twice means 10 multiplied by 2, 20. Only economics and accounting, only economics and accounting, only economics and accounting, only economics and accounting, this one, no. $45 minus 40 is 5. 45 minus 40 is 5. 45 minus 40 is 5. We'll see it. That is 5. Number of students who study economics. Economics. Here we can see 30 plus 18 plus 5, 53 students. Economics, 53 students. Okay, now next question, 2019. Second paper, question number 11. A well-defined collection. A survey was conducted on 115 families. Number of elements in the universal set 115. That own pets, information on the families that own dogs, cats and fish as pets from these families, and an incomplete Venn diagram drawn corresponding to it are given below. There are 3 sets here. There are 3 sets, right? Dogs, cats and fish. Okay, we will see how to insert number of elements in the universal set 115. 4 families own all the above 3 types of pets. 4. Then the number of families that own only dogs is only dogs, only this one, this region. We will see 19. 24 families own both dogs and cats, while 21 families own both dogs and fish. We will see 20. 4 families own both dogs and cats. Here you have 4, no? To get 24. 20 plus 4, 24. Sum of 2 regions is there, 24. Right, now 21 families own both what? Dogs and fish. 21, 4 plus 17. Already we have taken the number of elements of this region, that is 4. Understood that? 4 plus 17, 21. 11 families do not own any of the above 3 types of pets. It means complement there, right? 11. Copy the given Venn diagram into your answer script and include the above information in it. The number of families that own dogs is twice number of families that own fish. Find the number of families that own fish but do not own dogs. Right. Clearly we identified about these elements. Number of families own dogs. Sum of elements of all these regions. What is that? 60. Number of families own fish but not dogs. Then 30 minus 17 plus 4. Right? 30 minus 17 plus 4. Then you have 9 there. Number of families own fish but not dogs. Next one. How many families own only cats? Only cats. It means this one. Only cats. Then we will see how to get it. Only cats. Number of families that own only cats is 115. Here we know sum of elements 115 minus 60 plus 9 plus 11. It means 35. Okay. Only cats, it means this region. Take the sum of all the other regions and subtract it from 115. Now you have that is as 35. Then the number of families that own only fish is twice number of families that own cats and fish but not dogs. Here there is a relation. Okay. Here you have x plus 2x is 9. X plus 2x is 9. Then 3x is 9. Divide both sides by 3. Then you have x as 3. After completing, read the question carefully to get this answer, right? Whole question carefully you read from the very beginning. Otherwise you can't understand. Number of families that own only fish, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Probability of being a family that own only fish is 6 over 115. Probability. Number of elements in the event should be divided by number of elements in the sample space. It means universal set. Next day we are going to revise the lesson probability. Right? Probability. Very, very important lesson. You will have a question. Sets and probability. There is a relationship between those two chapters. Right? Today we learned about sets. Right? You identified how to insert in a Venn diagram using logical statements. There is a logical point. Think and do. My next lesson is probability. I am going to revise all the essential learning concepts of probability. Join with us. Goodbye to all.